Hello friends and happy new year. Okay, before you're like happy new year, that was 2 weeks ago, you are right. It is now January the 19th. 2 weeks into the year. Actually no, hold on, almost 3 weeks into the new year. Yeah, okay. I know I've been gone for YouTube. Okay, for just 1 second, I literally like all day my hair has been fine, and the moment I turn the camera on, it's like all staticky. Like, why is it doing this to me? It's ruining my life right now. Anyways, okay, I just had to like, I don't know why my hair's being all weird right now. It's like look. Anyways, hello guys, what's going on? I've been gone for a while. I know, after Vlogmas I took a much needed break, and if you're probably like, a break really did nothing, you're absolutely right. I literally did nothing. I did nothing compared to daily vloggers on Vlogmas, so yeah, we're here. But honestly, it felt really good to just take a step back from YouTube, figure out what I want to do on here and what I want to post, and just refresh my mind and let everything be like, what's the word, like just a restart, you know, new year, new me, JK. Just a new year, and like I wanted to come in this year with YouTube with a fresh mindset. So that's what we're doing. We're coming into this new year fresh, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing a closet declutter video. I've gone through my closet yet again. If you watched my last closet declutter video, I did this like back in the summertime, and I completely like purged my closet. Well, now since it's a few months later, I wanted to do it again because I'm just literally like, I've had so many clothes that I've realized from the last like purge that I was like, these gotta go, because I have not even touched them. So I went through all that, and I also went through shoes. You guys, I have had shoes since high school. In case you don't know, if you're probably like, oh, how old are you, 21? Because I get that all the time. I'm gonna be 27 on Wednesday. Oh, I know, 27 on Wednesday. I can't, like, I can't believe it. I'm so close to 30. I'm literally almost 30 years old. Anyways, I've had shoes from high school, and if you do the math, that was almost 10 years ago. Okay, maybe like 9, 8, 9. I can't do the math clearly, but yeah, I got rid of all that. So you guys will see me getting rid of like shoes, clothes, all that good stuff. I feel like in a way I'm kind of rambling right now. I haven't sat in front of a camera in so long that I feel like I almost do not know what to do or what to say. But enough of me going in circles, you guys. I'm happy you're here. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you have recently came from my giveaway video, thank you so much. Hopefully you guys stick around. Next week I already have lined up another Cheek Soul try on haul video type of deal. I got some really cute clothes from them, and I cannot wait to do a like winter spring try on haul, so that'll be next week's video. But anyways guys, thank you for being here. Let's get on into the video. So far, I have this clothes rack kind of in the middle of my room. If you watch my Vlogmas, I did rearrange right here, and then I have inside my closet clothes in here. Again, I live in an older home, so the closet space like is so small. Like, it's so tiny. And then I have this extra clothes rack here. If you watched my last declutter video, then you know that I had an extra clothes rack in the hallway, but I decluttered so much that I didn't need the extra one in the hallway. So I'm gonna go through all of these, and then everything in here, and possibly my drawers, because you know, it's 2020 and I could definitely get rid of some of these things. And some of these things are just like, I love them, but they're probably like out of style, or they're like too old. So we're gonna go through right now. I will do like a time lapse, but if I find something good I want to talk about, I will stop it. But this will mainly be like a time lapse, and then I'll show you guys at the very end everything that I've gotten rid of, or like which piles are what. So this is one of my favorite shirts. Okay, it was. I haven't worn this thing in like 2 years. I don't know why, because it's so cute, but I think it's finally time to get rid of her. It's so cute though. You guys, so first of all, look at all these hangers. Wow, I got rid of this many items. So the first pile, I kind of put everything into piles, like sections. So these first things, like this bag here, and then and this pile here will be just strictly donating, and then the rest will be reselling or giving away to friends and family, whatever the deal is. But first one here is dresses. Have hoodies and cardigans here. I think these are blouses. Yeah, blouses. More dresses and kimonos. I have like a lot of band tees in here. Jeans, and then two piles here of Fabletics. I feel like this seems like a lot to be giving away for Fabletics stuff, but honestly, you guys, I am an ambassador with them and I get 2 free outfits every month. That's a lot of outfits. So the ones that I have here are the ones that I will be most likely giving away and not reselling, because my friend loves Fabletics stuff. So they will go probably to her, because I know she'll get a lot of use out of them, because I have like 2 drawers full of leggings and a bunch of tops. So I can't, there's just so many. I mean, I'm so grateful, but it's just a lot. As far as my clothes rack goes, I think I did pretty good. These are all like t-shirts and then flannels and like kind of long sleeves that I'm wearing right now for this season, and then some short sleeve shirts, tank tops, and then workout clothes or workout tops. I have more in this laundry basket, so I do have more clothes, but these are clothes that I do wear like all the time. So I should have washed them beforehand, but these here are obviously things that I wear, so I'm not going to be giving these away. And then my closet, I think I did pretty good, because you couldn't even like, I couldn't do that. So these are all like jackets and like hoodies, and then dresses back here. More than likely some of these will go to when I do another declutter, I probably will declutter more winter items, because winter's gonna be over and I'll probably, you know, think I need to get rid of some items. So yeah, so I want to give y'all a bit of an update. Since the last time I filmed, it was a couple days ago, since I filmed like me decluttering my closet, I have since gone through more clothes, and I thought I was filming, but I guess I didn't push record. I was like it was like a spur of the moment thing, so I was kind of like in a hurry to do it, because I was just feeling anxious to get rid of more things. But the most things that I got rid of more were shoes, and I don't really want to open it. Well, there's a pair of jeans in there that are kind of torn from the bottom, but these are all shoes. And like when I mean shoes, like I mean shoes that I've had from like high school, like tennis shoes, Converse, like Toms. I don't wear Toms anymore. And then this bag over here also has like shoes as well. You can't really tell, but 2 bags of shoes and then 2 bags of clothes. If you guys can hear kids in the background, the donation station that I'm at right here is by a school near my house. So but I wanted to show you guys that this is a lot compared to the first time that I put items away. So 2 bags of clothes, 2 bags of sheets. I think that's great progress. And then I have all this stuff there that I will be selling and giving away. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna throw these in the bin and then we'll get back to the video. I am going to close out the video here. I was thinking of like sitting down with my makeup and doing like a proper outro, but I was like, you know what? This is real life right now. It's 2020. We're doing things different. But yeah, this is pretty much everything. I hope I did the declutter world justice. I have one other video and this is my second declutter video. And I think I did really good if I'm being honest. I know some videos like they show you each item and you go through it, but for my sanity, it'd be better to do a time lapse because there's so many clothes. So I'm gonna close the video out. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a good new year. Thank you guys for all the love on my Vlogmas and just all the videos last year. So hope you guys have a good day and a good night, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.